Haere Mai. Welcome to our tutorial on sizing bangles. Bangles are rigid, so it's important to get the sizing right. Start by marking the centre of the knuckles on each side of your hand. With your hand in a loose fist, measure the distance between these marks. This measured length should be the right size for your bangle. If it's too small, the bangle won't fit over your hand. If it's too large, the fit is sloppy and can be uncomfortable. This one's only 4 mm too big, but the difference is obvious when compared with one that fits well. The correct size is a better fit. They say it should hurt a bit to put on or take off the right size. We hope this helps. Thanks for watching.